I think being mindful of where you're spending your time and your energy, and just being able to prioritize things and not get sidetracked, and identify things that are going in the same direction as you are, and shying away from or deading anything that's putting you sideways or backwards is super important. I would remember times where I would pick up the phone no matter who was calling me, no matter who the number was, and a lot of times I would take something onto my plate that I wasn't prepared to do, or have to do something that I was already in the middle of doing something, and things like that. So I can never answer every call that comes into my phone, and can never really veer from my calendar and my to-do list, but everything gets done in time. But just being very mindful of the different types of projects, clients, collaborations, opportunities, just being very careful with that.
Yeah. I think it's also important too who you surround yourself with. I saw this quote actually today online. Nipsey Hussle said, if you don't look around your circle and get inspired, then you're not in a circle, you're in a cage. I think it's very important for people, especially in this business that we're in. Not everybody's your friend. Not everybody wants to see you succeed. There's way more snakes in that grass.
Yeah.
So I think it's really important to be around people that inspire you. Like Justin, being around you, I'm always inspired. Always.
Oh, I appreciate it. Listen, like, y'all see this mindset is everything. Like, sometimes this is how we are. You're not a lion, you're a kitty, but it's because of how you're looking at yourself, right?